So basically you were asked to do this. I hope you can see this, one page template. You were asked to do business goals, objectives, types of digital business objectives, close competitor. How will you
We are
we
currently just looking at the chapter 4 cover slide.
okay, just a minute. So this is the one which I shared last week. So this was expected you to share or fill out this with your thought process, with your thinking, with your ideas. And this was expected. So I will read, if you have submitted, not submitted, submit. I will read and we will go further. So in this process, we just finished module 2, chapter 3 last week. Now we are starting chapter 4. I hope you can see my slide part. Yeah, it is visible. And now, before starting chapter 4, just look into the bottom last page of the slide. These are the very useful links that will help you to create any website in very easy manner. Like I always use W3 World Wide Web Schools.com or W3Schools.com to get a lot of learning from related to coding, different coding, HTML, JavaScript, and different codings. So basically, this gives you very good understanding, very important things. So, whatever coding or whatever skills in computer science or related you are going to learn, this is the best place to go. Blue Griffin, this is a free software for editing the web pages. MyBluehost.com, this is example for how to modify name server for domain name. And this is MyBluehost.com hosting help, CyberDuck, how to set up file transfer protocol. MyBluehost.com hosting help, WordPress, how to install a new website using WordPress software. So a free FTP client software, these are the free FTP web hosting servers, and students discounts also be there. So for example, SiteGround.com student program, and this is the web hosting server with student discount. So I don't know whether would you like to do website on your somewhere on real, or just would like to do on your server. How will you do? You need to think, and I will show you. So WordPress, this is WordPress website. So these are the all resources that you can use. You can go one by one, and whatever we are doing in this chapter, they have all this, use of all these sites. Now I'm going on the. So now first, this chapter is about building a business prototype. Before going into mass, you can build a small and you can test. You can test with your friends, 3 of your friends from your class or from your, Eastern mates, or them. You can ask, you can check with their opinion. So what we are going to do, so a website prototype can be used to implement and test a digital business design. So whatever you have designed, for example, whatever is your, it helps you to test your business design. Entrepreneur building a prototype should acquire a domain name that is available and effective for sufficient successfully converting customers. So basically what is this, it will give you, these are the possible domain names are available and you can choose the best, or if you have something unique that is available, you can register that. So Inexpensive and powerful web hosting services make it easy to publish simple web pages and create more sophisticated software-based site that can be used for real business applications. So basically, if we are learning digital business, we have to go on web. We can't do it, in local area. It has to be on World Wide Web so that it can reach across the globe, across the all continents. And therefore, it is important to have web presence. And then content management software is a good multi-purpose tool for creating digital business prototypes. So majority of websites use content management software to organize, deliver their online presence. So basically, after that, the content management software are very helpful for, those beginners, and they will give you different design, different option, different way of writing, all kind of thing that may attract and that may deliver the information to customers. By the end of this chapter, the reader should be able to create simple web page and for now and make them available through internet via own domain name. So, so by the end of this chapter, you are going to create your own web page of any idea that a general idea. For example, Robert is saying he has some general. Okay, just go and do that. There are multiple websites, free websites. If not, you can just go and do it on any. So road to prototype, what you need to do. So over the next 4 chapters, we will follow 18 steps process called the road to the prototype. By the end, you will be able to build your own digital business prototype sites located at your own domain name. Take it step by step and enjoy your leveling up. But remember that technical skills are means to an end. We are trying to build new business, not website or apps for their own sake. So please make sure, if you are a technical guy, you can do it perfect. Otherwise, these things, if you are, having a business and you have some business idea, these can be done as low as in $10. If you want to outsource these services across the world, somebody can do for you in $10 only. So, and somebody can do in $1,000 also, or multiple thousand. So we are not truly emphasizing on one thing, which is web development tools, or programming, or website development. We are emphasized on business part. This is additional thing that can help you to make your business available across the globe. So now we are going to use prototype to test a digital business design that you have. So a prototype acts as a minimal viable product. So basically, the one page that you have, created based on that, a prototype is look like a minimum viable product, giving entrepreneurs a tool to start experimenting with their business and to learn quickly. An MPV is delivered, keeps simple to get it in hands of customer quickly. So basically, how you can reach to the customer, that is the most important thing. And what we are doing in this course, your customers are your friend, or one of the customer is your instructor. So once you make, you can share this link, and I will go through, I will share my opinion, and it will start. And really, how you can reach to the customer after making a website, that I will also demonstrate here. That once you have very attractive website, how you can get the hit of almost million people in 24 hours, or let's say in a week. So that is another option that I will demonstrate here. And that, I'm just suggesting so many people to use those channels to market your web presence or market your product and services. MVP for business is the real world can be simple as flyer, a table of local farmers market or workshop of local community center. So basically a real simple as flyer. Could be basic a piece of content like video, podcast, webinar, white paper, but the default choice for digital MPB is normally a website. So basically we are going to, this you have to do, make a small website, a small web page. With a domain name and web hosting service, entrepreneurs can make surprisingly powerful website available to billions of people around the world. Web hosting services make it easy to launch sophisticated software backed site that can be used for real business application. And in this chapter, we present the basic of digital business: domain name, website, web hosting, web page, style sheet, content management, all these things we are going to look in this chapter. So prototype building options. Using a profile of existing platforms such as Facebook or Instagram account, you can start with that. Use a web page or site builder offered by another company, that can be also. Using freely, you can also go on, Facebook, you can create your, business web page over there. That is also an option, because a lot of all the businesses, they have their Facebook profile right there. And they provide all the content, they provide all the information on Facebook page. That, for example, I go here, best Asian market for vegetables, Asian vegetables that I don't find anywhere else in Spokane. So best Asian market, they bring the vegetables every Thursday evening from Seattle, and those are available maximum by Friday evening or by Saturday morning. By that time, everything is out. So they use that, Facebook page in order to put all, new vegetables arrive, we have vegetables in the store. And the kind of all the community of Asian people live in Spokane, which is, if you roughly guess, 10,000 Chinese, 500 Indian, and, many more. They always rush over there, and, kind of, those vegetables go out of stock immediately. How they use, and even, when I interact, I see, do you have this thing? They also reply instantly on Facebook page, no, we will not have, and we will do this on that day. So basically, they have a Facebook page, they post everything, they also communicate with customers like me. So using freely available software can create and manage website on your own server using your own domain name. So this can also be possible if you don't want to register on website like, W3, Bix.com or GoDaddy or many GoBuilder.com, many such websites are there. You can start with Facebook, you can start with you can make your computer as a server, and you can start on your own computer. Custom coding a website, custom coding a mobile app, these are the, if you want to make, these things, you can do the coding, you can make a, because they have certain types of templates which are available for you. Suppose you want to make something custom made your own website, that you can do using coding, and that's up to you. I'm not going to teach here the coding, and I'm not going to, but that can be done. If you are good in you are computer geeks, or you are language geeks or website geeks, you can do that. Using a social media platform such as Facebook profile for prototyping has an advantage of requiring zero technical knowledge. You don't need a little or no cost and large potential audience of followers. So at least the moment you create your Facebook, this business or whatever business or whatever idea, at least you can have, so whoever is your network people, they can have the access, or they will be your first customer, they will be first responder. So this is option. Online business and electronic commerce expert recommend building the brand reputation of website and domain name is most situation in most situation. Other platform can then act as a traffic source that send visitor to entrepreneurs most valuable online property, their website and domain. So this is also an option that you can start with, or you can start with your own, or you can develop your custom made using coding. Internet basics, you can always ask question in between, because I will, some in the digital business can be implemented with website available on internet at a specific domain name. You can also create your own webs, if suppose you have some business that is digitally, you also can create on platforms your profiles on platform. Let's say, did I share one example that one of my friend who became one of the best seller on Facebook, on eBay platform, and he used to earn like $1 million in first year, and subsequently he rose to couple of $1 million on just buying the product on eBay and selling it on the eBay. He was from 2005 to 2010, he was one of the best seller on eBay. What he used to do, I mean, he was basically Indian, he was a friend in my city, and he wanted to come to USA to do business, but he took the admission in master's degree, college for import export related diploma, and he dropped out from there. He is at that time, if you remember, Yahoo Messenger was there. How many of you know Yahoo Messenger? That was the medium to connect with the people across the world. So that time Yahoo Messenger was there, and people spend their evening talking to other people across the world, and that way he got connected with one of the lady from China who was a doctor in USA, and they started chatting, they fell in love, they got married. So the lady came from China to from US to China, he moved from India to China, they got married, and eventually as a dependent he reached to South Dakota, Sioux Falls, where the lady was working as a doctor. Unfortunately, being a dependent, this is a rule of immigration law in USA that you cannot work in USA legally. So this is, it started, he is a workaholic person, he used to work very hard, but here he came as a dependent. He was not just sitting in a home watching TV, using internet, nothing else. He can't do any job, he can't get any money. He, this is restriction as per, let's say I am here, I can't do any duty apart from Eastern Washington University. And those who are international people, they can understand this condition. If you have a visa from some employer, you are only eligible to work with that employer. So he can't do anything. Then he got this option to buy a product from different part of the world and sell it to here. For example, Gucci glasses, he used to buy from like Italy or different part of the world in very cheap, and like regular price is $100, he used to sell in $30. And this way he started earning. But again, technical problem came. The technical problem, because he can't do a business here, he can't do that, so he hired a partner here. I mean, he has some partner who So entire business was registered on the partner name in California. And then he used to do all the things, but the all the products used to ship to the partner home at California. From there, it used to distribute, it used to send to the customers. In this process, he was making quite a good money, almost $1 million a year. But that was splitting in partner, and then eventually that become multi-million dollar, I would say, and because he became so popular, so customer friendly, so you can say 5-star rating. Almost 98% rating was 99.9% rating were positive. But again, he has some dispute with his partner that eventually lead him to shut down everything, and then he left to India. So basically what he did, he just used the eBay platform. Nowadays, not only eBay, you have Amazon platform too, where you can make your business available. So Amazon is there, eBay is there, even you can make use of Walmart platform. So Amazon services for for businesses can also you can take. So starting business is not an issue, that you can go alone, you can use this. Or there are other things which are happening in subcontinent, in India and other places. They are using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a chatting platform, communication platform, and that is helping a lot of people to develop their business and do a lot of business. For example, I'm just going to share, a person, give me a minute, I'm going to share two important lessons that how you can use just platform like eBay and other things in order to do that. Just a minute. Mm. Mm.
Are you attempting to show something currently? Because I just have a plain white screen.
I'm just pulling one web page that can help you to learn real example of how to use platform to do business. I'm just pulling the web page. Mm. Screen. Can you see my this my screen?
Indian housewives are making 400,000 a year.
Yeah, selling on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is like FaceTime. It is not popular here in USA, but it is very, very popular in India. Even I use myself to connect with my family, friends over there, to communicate, video chat and everything. This is one of the best tool nowadays in India for digital entrepreneurship. How this is happening and how they are using digital this thing to do that. So while you are reading Elon Musk quotes for inspiration, Indian women are showing what entrepreneurship is all about. So this lady, he is just using WhatsApp to do this business. 400,000 is not a small money, you know. Basically, in Indian rupees, it is multiplying with 7. You know, current exchange rate is $1 is equal to 73. And living of this life is, you know, so I'm just going to share this, uh, you know, link to all of you. So if you are interested, you can read how she is doing. So she is a housewife and she is, you know, uh, her mother-in-law passed away in 2000 while no one to look after 3 months old son. She couldn't retain her job and had to look for other ways to support herself. Following a footstep for her mother-in-law, Priya decided to start reselling saris. Sari is a dress, Indian traditional dress that every woman, you know, wear in India. Most of the women wear in India. So those are very, and they can start from, you know, the price of the sari can start minimum $2 and that can go up to $1 million. Means, you know, if you make custom and those are saris are, you know, people put some gold, you know, designing, some silver designing, and many diamonds, many things, it can go up to millions of dollars. Usually a medium income or middle class family, they, you know, take $20, $30 of sari. So it gave me the idea to buy 20 saris and sell them on WhatsApp. Priya said, I was part of so many friends and family groups. So first I started selling to them. People then started asking me if you could purchase saris from me and sell them to somebody else. Shortly after, Priya created a Facebook page for people interested in reselling her saris. Within 3 years, over 200,000 dedicated resellers were subscribed to her business. Priya's job is to source the highest quality sari from local suppliers and manage her reseller via 11 WhatsApp group. So basically, she was building and she is building her business. She is not only doing, but, you know, she is making a franchisee and, you know, uh, isn't only Indian woman who found success selling goods via WhatsApp. Megha Wafna, a full-time real estate employee of Pune, turned her passion for salads into full-fledged business using app. So, so means a lot of, you know, stories are around here. That I will share, you know, I have tons of stories. Those people started from, you know, just 100 rupees. Their salary was merely $20 a month. And now they have been listed in $40 million business. And using only platforms, not doing, you know, any wonder or not doing anything, but maintaining quality and other things. So I'm just sharing this link to all of you if you are interested. I mean, similar stories will be there in different other parts of the world. Since I keep browsing about India and, you know, these things, certainly same things will be there in Saudi Arabia, from Middle East, from different part of Asia, China, and, you know, other parts of the world. So I just share here. Now I go back on my slide part. So, uh, so internet is a global network that does one job: move digital information from one computer to network to another. The information being transferred can be anything that exists in digital format: document, picture, song, database, list of customers. And in India, I would like to say one thing, you know, the database of customers are available in just $10. You know, you can get 200,000 customer database in $10. Means you will get their name, phone number, address, and all the things. So basically you can reach to the customer, and WhatsApp can do in one click, they can reach to 200,000 customers. So that is available. You know, there are many agencies, they are collecting the data, they are selling, reselling, and that is happening. Or they can buy the database from schools, from colleges, from different, employers. So data privacy, is not a big, data privacy is not big issue there. People will share. And so digital information being sent over the internet might also be request for one computer to another, something for the others. A special digital languages called protocols defined. So basically, when we make something that is, using protocols, hypertext markup language, different protocols. For a computer to send and receive digital information on the internet, it needs to be connected to internet and have a unique address so that machine can find it. Like, this is IP address. So I'm not going into all, domain names, naming system that allows to use domain names such as Google to find things. So now we are coming on Web Basic. So Web consists of 3 standards that work together to make human-friendly web page. And first is, called HTML. That is a special language describing the content of the web page. So if I show you any web page that has source, under source, you can see the mark, web page, and I can demonstrate you too. So I hope you can see under this where I can say source. I hope you can see this, this information. So this is start from here. You can see this is HTML. This is starts here, and it goes like, So this is a page source of, every page on internet has a source. So I can view page source. So this is, for example, our Canvas, star HTML class script not loaded, and meta, this is all HTML of our Canvas page. So it can be as complex as, go on. So first is hypertext markup language. A protocol for requesting web pages, HTTP, Hypertext Transport Protocol. So whenever you see URL bar, earlier you used to do HTTP, basically that is automatically there. So that is the standard for specifying the unique address such as Google called URL unified. So basically to have a start, you have to have these 3 things. What are these 3 technologies working to give you the website and how you can access. Then web page is a plain text document written in HTML that can be displayed in a friendly graphical form by browser software. You can go through, for example, here, such as this is, you can go to any. To summarize this, what the digital business prototype will consist: a website made up of 1 or more page that can be found a domain name. So let's look into some of the example. Can we do this? Choose a domain name first. You can choose like, Rajiv. I mean, my name is Rajiv Dwivedi. I can choose rajivdwivedi.com. If that is not available, I can choose rajivdwivedi.edu. Different domains are there for different, purpose. Education is edu. Government is .gov, for different country like India.in. For different other purposes they have. Network, there is a .net. So this way and that way. So a website prototype required domain name and one that is unique to your business. So find, create your own domain. An early decision will be which top level domain to choose from. Over 70% of domain registers are in .com, different .net, .org, different thing. So, mostly people prefer commercial or .com, but you have other options also if you don't find the website. within a domain name themselves, try to avoid hyphens, numbers, write as much as, in simple letters. That is a best thing. Most of the website, you never see that, the website is available like Rajiv Dwivedi _.com or something like that. So basically it's a, whenever you see any website that is complete, wording. Once a domain name is found, a digital entrepreneur can purchase the domain name in one of the two ways. Domain name can be purchased at domain name register, can be bought first and register company, can be told later, whereas the prototype website will be hosted on the internet, or the domain name can be purchased at web hosting company. Web hosting services are needed to make your website available over the internet. And these services often include domain name registration. So basically you can do like, Wix.com, many websites are there. Simply go on WordPress and you can do that. For example, I'm just going to show some of the example right here. Let's go here. So I go on pre-domain name and hosting, $1. So here, can you see my, hopefully you can see my part. I'm just on Wix.com. And now I have to do all this sign up process in order to do that. Other things I can go through Facebook or, So let me do the sign up. I'm just going to use my email again. So let's see, hope this will work. So get started. Hopefully you can, are you able to see my website?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. So let's bring your ideas to life, answer some question to get best tools for what you are creating. Let me see. Myself, a company, my client, someone else, a startup, or use site for a startup, I'm a part of it. A company, this is a site of the company I want to work, or myself, a site of myself for my business. So basically, I don't have, this is my first name and I have created a few, I have created many. I build this site professionally. How this is my first time. So let me do this first time. Enter your business or website type. There are different things, non-profit organization, online portfolio consultant, online. So what should I do? Non-profit organization. Woman, let me change something because, online clothing blogger, let me do the consultant. Okay. Is this a new business? It's already open. I'm starting it now. I'm still exploring. I'm just going, whatever, what would help you run your own business, promote my business, take appointments online, work from mobile. So you can have all these functionality include, get paid online. You can also get, if somebody wants to buy your services or product, they can also pay online. Look, professional online, manage my clients, promote my business. So basically this is the one. I'm just going to play with this, so that you can understand. let's so stunning website in the Bix editor. So here you have two options. Let's Bix EDI create a website for you, answer a few questions and get a website designed for you in a minute with custom text and images. Or you can choose your own, website in the Wix editor. So choose a temple, which one I should go for. I'm not, decided here. So let's say I don't know much about, different things. So I can do by automatically thing. So here, these are the different, options which are there under this. What do you need on your new website? So you can include, options. I need chat, bookings, text, online, blogs, online store, sell product, digital downloads, videos, events, forums, install feed. I mean, all the, whatever you do, you can make also custom orders, create professional menus, groups. I mean, I'm just selecting by not putting much. Now let's do about this, for example, a business name. And I'm just going to do, for example, Rajiv Dwivedi. Okay, just putting my name. Let's see. Uh, Existing website. I don't have Google Place, search for Google Place. No, I don't want to do this. So name and Gmail, enter your address. I'm not going to, I can add my logo. For example, let me see if I have my, uh, just a minute. So I can do. So just, I'm just using my, mm, why this is not downloading. Mm, so I'm just trying to, I think I put somewhere else. Anyway, so basically you can add the logo, whatever logo. Even you can create the logo under Wix, whatever. For example, if you put a keyword here, you can create your own logo here. So social accounts, you can add your, Facebook and other things, whatever you want to, where you have already. Next. You can, have here different themes. For example, here, pick the theme you like. These fonts and color will be used to design your site. You can always change them later. So which one I should, Breeze, let's get Breeze. pick your homepage design. What should be your homepage? You know how it should look like. It is still loading. So I'm just going to see what are the Rajiv Dwivedi welcomes you. Use this design, and so this is the one thing. After this, the value of Rajiv Dwivedi, different options are given here. What do you want me to pursue? So do you like left one? Because, or so let's do the middle one. These pages are tailored to for you. You can customize them later. So basically these are going to, so here we go. Add pages, clients, and I can just use this context. I can add this. You can do blank. I mean, as much as you can do here. And now after this, what happened? And you can go and add the page. I mean, after this you can, or I can go for skip as of now. And skip. Why this my site has been okay? So this has been created. I mean, I'm not making much effort to create this automatically. This has been. So Rajiv Dwivedi, my home, book online, blog, shop, plans, price, these are all options. So if you can see this, after this, you can see this is the website that is about me. I can add, I can add all the things. For example, start here, I can put my photo, I can put my multimedia, and under this home, book, plan, pricing, menu, group, more, I can start basic from here. I can go under this about me. I can write about my professional skills and other things. The value of Rajiv Dwivedi, I can edit here, I can design, I can put all the information which I want. And then about me, professional consulting, and this and that, and financial consultancy, whatever, similarly you can put your product or services here, and you can use the, as you, I can put my videos, I can put my different aspects here, whatever I like. So this is, I can put my address. Where is the address? Google Map nowadays, chat and payment method. Like, if somebody wants to buy my services, there are different parts of services. Like, you can do e-commerce. You can do, for example, I can, somebody can go under book and then can book now. They can go and make the payment also. That will be, linked with your PayPal or, any secure so way of doing this. So this is, now I'm going to use a publish. I'm not, making much changes here. You can see these icons here. My, these icons are there, all the things are there. So I'm just using by default this. Now use a freewix.com domain or connect your own custom domain. So there are two options, my dear friends. One, I can use books domain, which is free. Here, connect your own custom design, www.mystunnings.com. You can find, and that probably will charge something, So I'm just using this. Let me try what is the, okay, let's do it. It is taking time. Mm. Why this is so much time taking? So probably searching the yeah, my mouse is still working. Okay. Get a domain name. So basically probably this would be a, some, so yeah, probably I have to pay a different thing. Here, if I want to 14 days money back guarantee, if I don't, so I don't want to pay this much money, and I can go back and I can use my, so do we have this option right here? Select a plan. So I'm not using my own domain name like rajivdivedi.com, like, anything. So these are the different business enterprise. I'm just going to see how I can go back. Okay. What next? No. No. Visit the site. So Rajiv Dwivedi dot. So basically this is big start now. So I can also do this. Just a minute, I'm little. So this is my site. I hope I'm just sharing with you this link. And can you access this website right at your end and just confirm if you can see this same website at your end? Can you get this? And this domain is also available. rajivdvedi.com is available. Connect your domain. That means I can get the domain of my name. However, I don't want to pay. I don't want to go over there because I'm not starting any business. But if you have some little money, you can start your site. However, starting free is not bad thing. You can start free with something. You can play and plug, and you can do different options, different things, and that can be also available. Is it this website is popping up on your site, like rajivdivedi.bigsite.com website? Yes or no?
What's the actual URL that we would need to?
Just at bottom, just this one, rajivdivedi.bigsite.com.
Yeah, I was able to connect to it.
So you can see my this same page at your end.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically this is the simplest way to start a website, and you don't need to pay from pocket. And in this digital entrepreneurship you can start with. So this is the first way. You can put all the information here, means all the content related to your business, related to your ideas or your services, so that this is the first phase of your business. Means customer will interact here, they will get to know about your business and your services and your products, and they would like to buy or not, or they so this is the first phase where a customer interacts with your offerings, your business, your how they can get the value, and it should be very, very, very attractive, that can force them, or that can attract them to do business with you. So this is the front phase. And if you make this, it gives you the identity and that will remain in the WordSure world. So now I go back on my slide part. Hopefully now you are back on my choosing domain name. I think I better explained with the Wix.com. Choosing a web hosting services. So I don't need to explain this because we just looked into Wix.com. Not only Wix.com, multiple such hosting services are there. Like GoDaddy, if you hear about GoDaddy.com, similar things. So I can just show you that is similar like this, So here, for example, GoDaddy. So this is exactly like Wix.com. It also offers the free things that you can do. So this is one thing. And you can also do on GoDaddy. There's many other things, WordPress. Here, everything online. Here, you can see online sale $90 first year and get your business online. Look into the offers that they are giving you. Only 99 cents for first year, and then you can pay as your business grows. So let me see about my domain is available and how much that would cost. So rajivdivedi.com, add this for $12.99 per year. No, so basically rajivdivedi.site is just 99 cents for first year. rajivdivedi.website is just 99 cents for a year. rajivdivedi.space is 199. So these are the, I think we can afford easily 99 cents or $1-2 if you want to register your own custom site, domain here. So choosing a web hosting services, I think I just go ahead with this. Setting up a website. So I just, go ahead because I just demonstrated in front of you how to do this. And now read the prototype, sign up for web hosting. So basically this week, all these slide actions are, uploading a files to website. How do you do? So basically in these sites, Wix.com or GoDaddy, they have, all the options. Like I had the option to select the photo, select the video, select the file, select the document, all the things. Similarly, you can do here by, so basically these slides are nothing but explaining the same thing. So task, read, web page. I mean, I just demonstrated how the web page looks like at the backside. What is the source, how it starts with. This is a language, hypertext markup language, and the head. So this starts hypertext, and this is starting, but tag, and this is the end tag, which is this hyphen. And under this HTML, head is here to here. So this is going to be your heading. For example, my first web page. So heading is under this, title is starting this. So HTML always start with this tag. I mean, this is the beginning of HTML and whatever. And this is end, you put everything inside this. And for example, this is, oh, sorry. And this is the end tag. So you look into HTML. HTML started this and this. Head started this and this. Title started this and this. Body started this. Body have this. End. And hello there is under. So you can understand in HTML, these are the simple way, and they work for all HTML tags. You can see this, how they work. web links in HTML. So link to another web page using a tag, you can do that. Nowadays is very easy. Images in HTML, you can do that. How you can put the image alter equal to this. So this is the tag that can be used. Creating a web page. So I'm not going into all this because nowadays everything is right there to plug and play. So by writing, copying, pasting, so basically, creating web page, as you can see in Wix.com, this is exactly like same thing. Road to prototype, steps 5, creating a web page document that includes the following tags like title, link, image, upload web page document. So all these can be there. So you can see the view page in your domain. So no broken link or images should be there. Make sure that everything is working there. Therefore, I shared my Wix.com to see from your end how it is looking, because on my computer it is reflecting, but it is reflecting on your side or not. Style sheet rules in CSS to add color. Basically this is all other, giving some cosmetics effect. The new fonts, control where things appear on a screen, designing. So this is language called cascading style sheets. So here, font size 12, font size 14, color blue, color this much, align left, right, or, so basically we are all habitual about this, to make very attractive, very cosmetic, very, appealing website. So how you can see this. Style sheet rules in CSS, and then style sheet ID, you can see this. We are not going into all these things. Add two sheet rules. Using content management software for prototypes. So basically after this, more than half of the website today use content management software to create and manage their sites. Content management software will install a website at a specific web address and allow the owners to log in. The most popular CMS, WordPress, is used by 31% of websites at the time of writing. Joomla, Drupal, there are two other popular free software choices for managing websites, and followed by paid services like Squarespace and Shopify. And WordPress, I think most of us having the some kind of experience of using WordPress. Installing a new empty prototype site on webhost using WordPress. So you can also try this on WordPress using WordPress. So basically, this chapter is giving you a lot of insight how you can start your web presence. Means, whatever idea you have created, I would request you to make a website, free web page where you can put all the information that can give you some sort of, experience how it looks like, and share the link to me. So I can, I can look and I can see. So this is about, this week lecture I would like to share and my opinion. So basically, very simple. You start yourself, whatever idea you have, and then build upon that, just, make your personal page with your, skills and things, and keep updating every time. Connect your friends over there. So the purpose of this to start your digital footprints. So basically you have digital footprints in terms of Facebook, in terms of LinkedIn, in terms of Instagram, in terms of some other, but this is the digital web presence, I would say. start your web presence using any tool, and you never know what will be the result later or sooner, when people, will see something unique which you never realized in yourself. So this is the lecture from my side. Any question, anything, please let me know.
So just to confirm, you wanted us to make a website and then just send you the link for the business concept that we
Yes.
did the card for?
Yeah. So just to start developing, just to start, put your name, like, I shared on my Bix, just put some photos, put some, what is the business, about us, like you see any simple website anywhere. Similarly, you can start your, like I gave the example of donut route or something, just think about, just look into, which is very simple. Similarly, you can think, similarly, you can start your own website or web page.
And how do you want that sent to you?
I just email me the link, and I'm going to create one option under this so that, we can see each other, so I'm going to create under this module option where you can just discussion, you can share, this is my web page. This is I have just created. So
Okay.
yeah, so I'm just going to put right away under our week 4. Where is the week 4? So you can share. And this will be also good because, you can get some inputs from here, I've just created here, and where is the discussion? Discussion. URL of the web page or website. And this has been created, so you can post here too. I mean, that will help others to look into. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. Enjoy your rest of the evening.
Thank you.
Have a nice productive week ahead, and we'll see each other on next Monday.
You
And
too,
if
thank you.
have
Thank
any
you.
question, you can reach me. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.